The Zulay utensil rest? The Farberware or Joie Crinkle cutter? Perhaps the Rubbermaid thermometer or the MEYUEWAL Opener Kit? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 cheap kitchen gadgets under $10 available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best cheap kitchen gadgets under $10. The 5th product on this list is the Joie Crinkle cutter. This crinkle cutter will quickly become the most popular tool in your kitchen. It helps you add style and fun to your meals, making it great for those with young kids. It has an angled stainless steel blade that works equally well on any other vegetable or fruit you choose. In addition, the sharp, sturdy blade and comfortable grip of this cutter gives you a fun way to elevate the presentation of your favorite vegetables and fruits. The edge is rust resistant, making cleanup a snap. You will also like that it comes in various colors and measures 8 inches in length, so that it can be used by cooks of all ages, from the beginner to the seasoned chef. This crinkle cutter is also suitable for young hands learning their way in the kitchen. Moreover, this high-quality vegetable cutter provides elegance and style to any meal, and creates a beautiful vegetable garnish or cuts hard veggies without a worry. Its pros are, it is the most popular item for its size and efficiency, it is straightforward to maintain, and it is suitable for use by younger kids. However, it tends to hold water in the handle, so make sure to dry it thoroughly before putting it in a drawer. The Joie Crinkle cutter is great because it helps you create beautiful vegetable garnishes or simply cut hard veggies without worry. Up next in 4th place is the MEYUEWAL Opener Kit. This can opener is a must-have kitchen gadget for anyone who wants to make their life a little easier. The 5-in-1 multifunction takes the place of 5 tools: a bottle opener, jar opener, can opener, and lid remover. This opener features a soft ergonomic handle to reduce hand fatigue, while the wide offset handle ensures extra leverage on stubborn jar lids. This can opener also functions as a bottle and jar opener for convenient access to your favorite foods. Also, it is made of high-quality stainless steel materials that won't rust for easy maintenance. Additionally, its wide, flat design minimizes the effort needed to twist even the most stubborn jar lid off. It is skid-proof, so it won't slide off while you are opening the lids and caps of a jar or bottle, making it much safer than other can openers. You will also like that it has no sharp edges or broken tops, which makes it ideal for children and adults alike. Furthermore, this can opener is easy to use and designed to pierce through the lid, both small and large, with one motion, using a push-pull motion that minimizes hand movement. The level action effortlessly removes covers from beer bottles, champagne and soda bottles, and jar tops, including mason jars, pop tops, and much more. Its pros are, it's very simple and intuitive to operate, it is perfect for those with limited hand strength, hand injuries, and it is easy to grip and hold. However, it is hard to use on very large diameter jars and bottles. The MEYUEWAL Opener Kit keeps your kitchen tidy and allows you to open those annoyingly tight jar lids effortlessly. Still haven't found a cheap kitchen gadget under $10 that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Rubbermaid Commercial Products Monitoring Thermometer. This unit is a must for any kitchen and is an essential tool for food safety. It accurately monitors the temperature of your oven or grill so you can cook meals to perfection and avoid food poisoning. It has an extreme temperature range, is battery-free, and comes in a durable material. Also, it is perfect for any kitchen. This thermometer keeps an eye on your oven via the thermometer screen or any Bluetooth-enabled device within range. Moreover, this instant read thermometer has a temperature range of -4 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. We like that it has an easy-to-read screen that features a single-button operation with auto shutoff and automatic calibration mode. Furthermore, this is the perfect kitchen tool for anyone, especially those who love entertaining. Whether it be a steak, hamburger, or even just baking a cake, this thermometer allows you to be sure that food is at its optimum temperature and getting the most out of your meal. Its pros are, its simple and durable design makes it convenient to use, it offers a wide temperature range to suit any task, and it hangs, stands, and is suitable for oven or grill use. However, The cramped writing on the face can make it hard to see through your oven window. The Rubbermaid commercial products monitoring thermometer works great as a grill temperature gauge or meat thermometer, and it will make sure your food is cooked correctly and safely for your family. The second product on this list is the Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. This silicone spoon rest is perfect for any kitchen. It reduces the stress of messy countertops, making cleanup after cooking even more manageable. This utensil holder is heat resistant and BPA free, so you can safely put it on any stove without worrying about melting or breakage. The spoon rests comfortably on top of any flat surface and provides an elegant look to your kitchen while protecting it from looking dirty or cluttered. It's perfect for spoons, ladles, and other tools that are used but don't need to be stored away. Moreover, silicone is heat resistant, stain resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen. You will also like that its unique design keeps your surfaces clean, helps prevent grooves in your countertop, and stops utensils from rolling around on the counter. Furthermore, the non-slip base keeps the holder in place securely, and the drip pad at its center is perfect for preventing messes when stirring a batch of chili. If you want to keep your kitchen tidy, check out this item and upgrade your kitchen to be more practical. Its pros are, its silicone build makes it effortless to clean, it is lightweight and heat resistant, and it can hold multiple utensils. However, it might not suit all decorative preferences. The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest is an accessory that is ideal for kitchen and dining areas because it helps avoid splatter stains on counters and tables. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top cheap kitchen gadget under $10 is the Farberware. This top unit is a multifunctional utensil that doubles as a masher, tenderizer, and food processor. The versatile chopper or masher has 5 stainless steel blades that can chop meat, vegetables, and nuts in seconds to ensure perfect consistency. This product can be used comfortably while chopping with its ergonomic handle. Its heat-resistant plastic body makes it durable enough to last long while also being non-slip in nature. This product is also 100% BPA-free and constructed of top-quality stainless steel. In addition, it is dishwasher safe and even includes a panel guide for left-handed use. Plus, the openings on the chopper are large enough to accommodate most food without jamming. You will like that it creates perfect patties and burgers with ease, while also being able to mash and puree ingredients into a delicious spread. Furthermore, its easy-to-use design makes it great for novices in the kitchen looking to take their cooking skills up a notch. This meat cutter and masher combine the 2 kitchen tools into one. It can make burgers, kebab, and soups, as well as use it to mash potatoes and make delicious dips. All in all, when it comes to quality and versatility, it is probably the best value for money kitchen product on the market today. Its pros are, its wide bevel design for efficient function, it has a dishwasher safe design, its BPA free and non-toxic nylon material, and its ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. However, it can scratch non-stick pans if you're not careful. The Farberware is brilliant for all aspiring chefs. It is a versatile pick that can be used with a variety of meats and vegetables to make better meals. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.